Hello friends, so let's welcome to all of you. So today we will start about cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity? So let's take the introduction. The term cybersecurity is used to refer to security offered through the online services to protect your online information. With an increasing amount of the people getting connected or to the internet, the security threats that cause massive harms are increasing also. Okay, to understand like for the security, like cyber security is very important. And what are the meaning of the word of cyber, and what is the need of the cyber security? What are the security problems in cyber field, and how to implement and maintain security of a cyber field around us? So in this video, we will learn about the cybersecurity meaning of the word cyber. Okay, so it's combining form relating of the information technology, the internet, and virtual reality. In and cyber means that we can just do the things over on the internet by using the technology and virtual world with the reality. Okay, need of the cybersecurity. Why do we need to require for the cybersecurity, and why need to be aware? And someone is hacking, doing the hacking in your system, then you need to be aware and protect your system and doing the password. So these are the things then we need to use for the cybersecurity, and cybersecurity is necessary since it helps in the in securing data from threats such as data left or misuse. Also safeguards your system from viruses as well. Okay, major security problems. There are multiple problems. Are there like virus? It can be very harmful, and hackers can be do the has and face by using the phishing and any malware and Trojan horse and password cracking. These are the things can be a cause of the breaking the security. So you need to be aware about this. Virus and worms. A virus is a program that is loaded onto your computer without your knowledge and run against your wishes. Okay, it might be any cause like any virus can come into your system and it can be harm any software and your leak your data as well. So you need to be aware about this virus and worms. What is the solution of this? Install its security suits that protect the computer against threats such as virus and worms as well. Okay, so you need to be take about the what the antivirus is very useful and how you need to protect your data and your system as well. These are the multiple antivirus are there, maybe McAfee and Quick Heal, App Secure, Security Essentials, and Bitdefender, APG, Panda, Avast, Webroot. Multiple antivirus are there in the industry and market, so you can take and choose of that to protect your data and using a security purpose. Hackers. What is hackers do? In common, a hacker is a person who breaks into your computer, usually by gaining access to administrative control. So hacker can do and take the administrative control and doing whatever he wants. So you need to be aware what hackers can do. So you need to protect your system against the hacker. Types of hacker, there are multi three types of hackers are there in the market, like white hat hacker, gray hat hacker, and black hat hacker. So what is the meaning of white hat hacker? White hat hacker can just do the work in the positive way for just protecting any person, and in a positive way that can be work. And the gray hat hacker, they can just do in the positive and negative and both side. Okay, this can be for their earning purpose as well, and defending to someone, and they can be just manipulating to someone as well. Okay, and black hat hackers always do the work for the illegal work. Okay, they can just crack any system and just harm to any person and leak their security data. Okay, so these are the three types of hacker. How to prevent hacking? It may be impossible to prevent computer hacking. However, effective security control, including strong password and the use of the firewalls, can help you. So you need to be user firewalls and working on that. Okay, and malware. What is the malware? The word malware come from the terms malicious software. Okay, mal plus ware, so it's called the malware. Okay, malware is any software that in fact and damages a computer system without the owner's knowledge or permissions. Okay, the malware can come from viruses, trojans, and rootkits, worms, spyware, crimeware, and adware. Okay, the multiple things can be come to the malware as well. Okay, so we need to aware about it and how to stop the malware. Suppose someone is hacking to your system and your phone and smartphones as well. So you need to protect your system against them hackers and just protect the malware information, malware viruses. Okay, download the antivirus, anti-malware program that also help prevent infections and activate network threats protection like firewall, antivirus, like in the for the Windows generally work for the Window Defender as well for the security reasons. Like you can also just download the semantic antivirus. Okay, Trojan horse. What is the Trojan horse? This is the types of the virus as well. So Trojan horse are the email a virus that can duplicate themselves, steal information, or harm of the computer system. These viruses are the most serious threats to the computers as well. So like you can see that it can be Trojan horse, and it can destroy, change, and transmit the information from any spreadsheet on any data on any software of the user. Okay, so you need to be aware about how to avoid the Trojan. Security suites such as Avast antivirus, internet security will prevent you from the downloading Trojan horses as well. A Trojan horse was found, that can be the you can see over on the screen. Password cracking. Password attacks are attacks by hackers that are able to determine password or find password to different protected electronic areas and social network site as well. So that's password cracking also just going in the industry, and just you need to be protect with them and aware about this technology. Like security password, always use always strong password. Okay, never just use your simple password like 128 and your QWARTY and to the p. Okay, use your all the alphabet password and asterisk key with that should be strong password. Okay, never use the same for the different sites. Okay, every different site your password should be different, that can protect your information as well. Okay, so cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. So as we need to be aware about the cybersecurity and cybersecurity strategy in India. In cybersecurity policy, legal framework, IT Act 2000, IT Amendment Bill 2006, and data protection and computer crimes as well. Capacity building was the skills and competence development, research and development, cyber monitoring, network security, and the last is the international collaboration for the cybersecurity, which is located in Bangalore for the summit and third edition. You can also visit it. India stands 10th in the cyber crimes in this world. The list of the cyber crime in the world, India is located in the 10th of the is list. Okay, these are the eight biggest cyber attacks in 2020, like Japos, 65 millions LinkedIn password for hacked. Okay, 198 millions at Android Honor memory cards, and 1.5 millions card number were stolen. Okay, 1.5 millions Harmony passwords were stolen in 2012. Security holes discovered allow hackers to install malicious software on the Windows computers. 27 million user account compromised. Hackers obtain user password, credit card number as well, and one 16 lakh 56,000 2027 computers viruses, worms, and Trojan horse was found there. Okay, so the conclusion of this video, like I hope like all that my presentation will be helpful for you or audience to improve their knowledge and about the cyber security and to overcome all the security several security loopholes on their computer operations. Also help to spread awareness about amongst the normal people about emerging security threats. Simple and practical prevention method as explained in the seminar or any videos you can also see. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you friends.